Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and print Canva Christmas cards at home. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply head into canva.com and head into the search bar and search for Christmas cards, just like that. And once you've done that, as you can see, bunch of different design templates are going to go ahead and pop up. You can simply go ahead and choose one and customize. So for example, let's just say I want to customize this one. I'll change the image with my family picture and so on and so forth. And then I'm simply going to go ahead and click on share, click on download, and the file type is going to be PDF print, which is going to be best for printing. Also check mark the flattened PDF, click on download. And once it is downloaded, all you need to do is simply go ahead and print it by pressing Command P and so on. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.